Hello viewers, I'm going to sow tobacco seeds today and I will show you how to grow tobacco in UK. Start to sow seeds indoor 8 weeks before last frost date. Here in Midland, last frost date is in May, so I have to start seedling in March. I'm going to sow 4 different varieties. These varieties are Virginia Gold, Havanna, Corojo, Latakia, Burley. The description of each variety are below. Use good seed sowing compost or multi-purpose compost. I have my own compost mix which contain 25% multi-purpose compost, 25% perlite, 25% vermiculite and 25% cocoa peat. This mix will help to keep compost moist but not waterlogged for seeds to germinate. If soil is not well drained, the seed would rot. Fill the pots with compost. Loosen the surface of soil. Just like so. I'll be sowing tobacco seeds now and they are very tiny. So plant thinly, don't sow them too close together. They should be sprinkled roughly 4 seeds per square inch. If you're growing more, use bigger seedling trays. I'll be using these trays because I'm planting 4 different varieties. I need 15 to 20 plants of each variety. Around 20 plants are enough for the year's supply. Pick seeds up with your finger like this. To make the seed noticeable when sprinkling, you can use wood ash or horticultural sand. To avoid sowing too many seeds on one place, roll seed between your finger and thumb and gently sprinkle all over the compost surface. Just like so. Tobacco seeds need 20 to 27 degrees to germinate, and they need light to germinate. Now it's done. After sowing seeds, don't cover them with any soil. Just firm them down so they have contact with soil. Just like so. Give them good soak of water with the sprayer. I'm not giving water because my compost is already moist. Cover and place them on windowsill and keep them moist until they germinate. And after germination, remove the cover. Keep seedling moist but not waterlogged. Here is my 4 type of tobacco seedling. It's ready to be transplanted. I'm going to transplant my tobaccos today, the all 4 type of seedlings. First of all, you have to select a good compost, whichever you like, doesn't matter. I already filled some of my trays. I filled this tray. I put 15 pot in each tray, and I got 4 pots, and I'm gonna take 15 plants of each variety. and I already filled it. Just simply normally fill the compost. Do not compress it, just tap it down and let it sit down. Then fill it up again and tap it down, and then gently, just do not press hard, just like that, and it's ready. I'm gonna do this old tray again, one more tray, done 3 already, and then I'm gonna show you how to transplant the seedling in these pots. To transplant tobacco seedling, give them a good soak of water a night before, or just before transplanting, about like hour and 2 hours before, and then you make a just little hole with the dibber. The seedling, gently, and separate the plant. Choose the healthiest plant and then just plant them in the hole. And do not force it too much, just gently do with your finger, and then give them good soak of water after transplanting. I will select the healthiest plant for my seedling. I'm going to remove these bottom leaves. The tobacco is very easy to grow. I will choose the healthiest and biggest seedling. While you're seedling from leaves all the time, it's gonna prevent them damaging the stems, because they are very delicate. When you transplant seedling, after planting them, press them from the sides and gently from the bottom of the stem. That's how you transplant tobacco seedlings, and they will grow a bit slightly bigger. Then I'm gonna leave them in these small pots now, and then I will just transplant them from here to direct in the soil, because there's not that much time left for last frost date, so they will be alright. They will grow quicker now, and after transplanting, and then they'll be alright to transplant outside. And I'm gonna give them all water on and I'm transplanting them and putting them in tray. Then I will give water from the bottom of the tray. I transplanted these two varieties and before I transplant others, I have to give a good soak of water to these so they don't get transplant shock. I'm just gonna give up water from the bottom of the trays. I just added in the water this liquid seaweed to give them a good start. They will take as much as water they need, and I will drain rest off in 5 minutes. This is the liquid seaweed. I added 1 cap full of in 5 liter 1 gallon can, 2 gallon can. Just give them don't give them any like strong feed in the start of seedling. Just give them a light feed if you want to give them. I just added seaweeds. I'm not adding anything else in the water. And now I'm going to transplant next 2 trays with the other 2 varieties. I have gave water to all seedling and transplant my all seedling. You give water in the base, and when it's you can see the surface is wet and all the water is come through on the top of the surface, and then you remove excessive water from the bottom. This variety is Golden Virginia, and then rest of you can see on the labels. Burley, Havanna Corojo, Latakia, and Golden Virginia.